Hey folks, this is Justin from the Leonidas Knives and Gear channel. Hope this video finds you all well. And I just wanted to send out a quick tip or hint to all the gun owners out there who might be watching. And just to let you all know, of course, you know, the best way to store your ammunition is to do it properly. And I just want to give you all some information on a cheap and cost-effective way to do that to make sure it stays dry. Now, obviously, you want to have some proper ammunition boxes, whether that be plastic or steel, and if possible, you know, it'd be great if they could have some sort of like a rubberized seal. Something I do, since I store my ammunition out in my workshop, and unfortunately it is not temperature nor humidity controlled out here. I actually found a couple of these today in some furniture that I unpacked, and these are really awesome find. These are the drying packets, desiccant drying packets, and just some of the largest I've seen. Again, they were in some furniture we unpacked. I think it's also called desiccant silica gel. Hopefully I pronounced that right. But this is just a very cheap and cost-effective way, especially if it's in something, you know, something that was shipped, whether that be shoes or other items like that, furniture like today. And this is something a lot of people would just throw away. And this is something that you could also, I think I've even seen for purchase for, like, say, your gun cabinets, or also for your ammunition, and for something that you can throw away. These could last years, and I just leave them in my ammo boxes, ammo cases, and I've got most of them here full with the smaller packets. And I was just very lucky that these just seem actually very nice, even the quality material. So that was just a great find. And with ammunition being at an all-time high price, it's also, if you can find what you need, unfortunately, I'm seeing that you can only purchase it at limited quantities as well. So it's just a very unfortunate time for gun owners. And you want to make sure that your ammunition is stored properly, so that, you know, obviously the ammunition will be in a good, usable, and safe condition when you have to crack these ammo cans open and start pulling this ammo out. And, you know, with it being so scarce, and it's just, yeah, just absolutely, you know, try to make sure, take some time, and, you know, make sure that your ammunition is stored as good as you can. Again, I wish that, you know, maybe I could keep them in more of a temperature, humidity controlled environment, but I'm doing the best I can here, and so far so good. Haven't had any problems, and, you know, taking the proper precautions with these, like, say, these gel packets, I think I will be just fine. And this information has kind of been floating around out on the internet, on YouTube for some time. I just want to give a quick folks, reminder. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. Drop me a comment if you can. Also, if you're not a subscriber, hey, do that as well so you're notified of future uploads. Thanks for your time.